Hey guys, what's going on? It's Leah here from Glamour Gadgets and Gaming by Leah. So what do we have in the box, guys? A bit of a surprise. Something from Aukey. So we have a few goodies here from a company called Aukey. So let's check it out, guys. Product number 1. A 2-in-1 wide angle lens. It's a macro lens, guys. Let's check it out. So here we have it, 2-in-1 wide angle lens, a macro lens by Aukey. So it has a 2-in-1 lens kit which includes a 140-degree wide angle lens plus a 10x macro lens to meet the different photography needs. So it comes with a cleaning cloth, a nice handy carry case. So what this does is it extends your camera lens, a nice clip to clip it on with, and the detachable soft rubber clip here is easy to adjust, and guys, it won't leave any scratches or marks on your mobile devices. Very handy when taking pictures outdoors and indoors. Guys, this isn't one of those cheapy plasticky clip-on lenses you get for your phones nowadays. It's a very premium, solid glass lens with a bit of weight to it. It's very premium, very solid and quality, as you can see. Guys, it's a perfect combination for capturing travel scenery, wide landscapes, detailed close-ups and unique selfies. Currently priced at under £16, so grab yourself a bargain. Number 2, guys, is an Aukey 10,000 mAh power bank. Guys, let's get it out of the box. We have a user manual, 24-month product warranty, which is very handy. Sure, we're not going to need this. A micro USB cable to charge the power bank with, and the mini beast itself, Aukey's 10,000 mAh power bank. Small, compact, very cute if you ask me. Solid, and hey, it just turned on. So I'm sure that indicates that it's fully charged. And here, so we have 2 USB inputs. Here we have a torch, but I'm not sure how it turns on. So you simply charge this power bank via this micro USB slot here. Once fully charged, guys, it powers up from here. As you can see, the LED lights have come on. So you can power your devices via these 2 USB ports here. And we also have a very handy flashlight. Keep the button pressed for 5 seconds and there you go. A very handy flashlight which would be great in emergency situations. Great for camping and nighttime treks. A very strong bright flashlight. This amazing power bank, for example, will charge your iPhone 7 at least up to 2 times, combined with 3.18 output from dual USB ports, simultaneously to recharge your smartphone, your tablet or any USB powered device at a maximum speed. So guys, this amazing cute little beast Aukey portable charger, a 10,000 mAh power bank, is currently priced at only $12.99, so save yourself those bucks and grab one now. The links for this are in the description box below. And last, guys, what do we have? We have Aukey vase desk lamp. Now this looks really interesting. I'm excited to get this one out of the box because it has an intelligent remote, a touch screen, and it protects your eyes. I want to see what this does. Aukey user manual, 24-month warranty. This looks interesting. So guys, this is an Aukey rechargeable table lamp, a glass vase bedroom lamp with touch and remote control. So it's got a very cute little remote control here. We'll check out what it does shortly. We also have a USB charging cable, and here, guys, we have a charging dock. Interesting. And the Aukey LTST14 vase desk lamp. I'm not sure what this does, but I will be setting it up and sharing it with you. I'll be back. Green light here indicates that it's plugged in. Simply grab the lamp, and once placed on there, click the power button, so you can choose the color of your choice via this remote. It's an RF wireless remote. Brightness up and the brightness down, so dim it. Color down, so the bright, there you go, and color up. Right, so here you can control the speed in which the colors change. So I've turned it to fast and see how fast that's changing. It's amazing. And the speed down. Guys, we have modes here, so check that. See how the brightness has gone down. So I'm going to put the speed up and the color up as well. Brightness up and the mode. It has easy controls of light color. So you've got a brightness mode, an effect speed using the lamp touch buttons, and optimize remote control for a multitude of lighting combinations. It has an extended 16 hours of continuous use that easily lasts all day or even for weeks with more occasional use. Simply place the lamp down on this dock here for effortless recharging. A beautiful lighting feature for your living room or bedroom, created with simple, elegant frosted glass, as you can see here in front of you, with some subtle patterns. Guys, with this little remote control to your hand, you have complete control over the light color, the brightness, the effect mode and speed. This is a very compact, comprehensive and straightforward RF wireless remote. Here in front of us, you can see that the lamp features very handy touch sensitive power and color select buttons. Guys, we have dozens of lighting variations to choose from, with warm white, light and 6 colors, 6 brightness settings and 5 effect mode, and further 6 effect speeds. Set the mood for any occasion. You've got red, you've got green, blue, yellow. You've also got aquamarine, violet, or simply enjoy the elegance of soft white light. It's very energy efficient. The LED technology saves you money and minimizes environment impact. It has an extremely convenient dock charging and over 16 hours of safe disconnected use from high capacity 4000 mAh battery, and you also have this very handy 24-month product warranty for that peace of mind. It's rechargeable, so you don't have to plug it in to have it on. As you can see, it's recharged. I haven't got it on the dock. Roughly 18 centimeters in height and around 9 centimeters wide. It features 7 different colors of light with 6 brightness levels, which can be used as single lights or on set patterns rotating through the colors. As it has a charging base, it makes it portable, so it can be used throughout the home and just placed on the charger when needed.
I love the fact that it's rechargeable and the fact that I can control it from anywhere in the room with the remote control. Currently priced at an incredibly low price, just under $9. It's almost too good to be true. For an incredible product and an incredible price, guys, check out the links in the description box below. So here we have it, 3 very interesting and very useful products from Aukey, all priced under $20, and the links for these are in the description box below, just in case you want to check them out and grab a bargain for yourself. And before you go, guys, let's not forget one of the many giveaways I am currently running on the channel. Support of the month, March. Well, if you want to know the name of the winner for the support of the month, March, keep watching, guys. He or she will be announced before midnight tonight on either Twitter, Facebook or the channel. Now keep watching and look out for it. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you have, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and turn on that notification bell to be notified of my latest videos, giveaways, etc. Until the next one, guys, thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye.